I got presented with this situation this morning. Somebody who follows my YouTube channel said that they blocked somebody on LinkedIn. And then when they came back to the network, My Network Grow page, that person showed up right down here under recommendations. So I'm going to go block somebody, and then I'm going to see if that person shows back up in the My Network Grow page. Let's see. So I'm going to just make this easy. Here's this person named Kim Schufrin. I'm going to bring her profile up. I'm going to bookmark her profile so I can come back to it. Save that. I'm going to go to More, Report Block. I'm simply going to block her. Kim Schufrin. Block member won't receive any notifications of this action. Well, thank you. All right. Let's go back to My Network. We're at the Grow section. That person's name is not here. Let's just make sure I'm saying the right name. There it is right there. I try to bring it up. It gives me a 404 error. So the name was Kim. And Kim is nowhere in here. However, there's a couple ideas that come to mind as to why this may happen. Number one is, it is possible that you block somebody and they created another LinkedIn account. That is possible. Number two, it is also possible that you block someone and then along the way you went back and unblocked them. By the way, let me show you how to do that, because I really should unblock Kim. If you got to go to settings, under settings, I think it's under data privacy. Nope, visibility. Block members. Now, you would think that Kim would be on top here, but it's not. And so you got to do a couple different things. Either they got to scroll. Is it at the bottom? I don't believe it's at the bottom. Let me go see. I've blocked a lot of people over the years. Nope. So now I got to do a search. Control F, Kim SH. 7 minutes ago. Why is this all whacked out? Why is it not in order? So I'll unblock her. And it wants to know my password and hit unblock. Let me go see something now. If I go back to LinkedIn, go back to My Network, see if Kim shows up again. May not, because of the randomness of this. But the really only two ways that I can imagine that this would happen would be, number one, is that the person created another profile. Number two, that you blocked them, and then along the way, you unblocked that person. Now, if neither one of those is the answer, then the next step would be to contact LinkedIn support. However, if you don't give them enough clear information that you blocked them, i.e. show that person's name in your blocked profile list, and then show them a screenshot of that same profile in your My Network Grow, they're going to say the same things to you that I just said. So anyway, I'm Teddy. I'm all about LinkedIn as a business tool. I'd like to help people get more value out of this tool, and I also like to uncover the snafus that need to be resolved. Have a great day.